Sony's XS-GS1621C high-performance two-way component speaker system is an extremely effective way to improve your factory system and replace those old coffee cup coasters that are already inside the panels of your doors. The set features a pair of 6.5-inch woofers, 1-inch soft dome tweeters, and external crossovers. This system provides awesome sound, easy installation, and is affordable. For power, the components require a very solid 75 watts RMS each side, 150 watts RMS per set, with a 4 ohm impedance. And the best way to get the most out of this system is with an external amplifier. I personally recommend a 4-channel as this system is bi-amp capable. Channels 1 and 2 for your woofers, and 3 and 4 for your tweeters. Each of the woofers feature a reinforced aramid fiber cone to deliver focused, mid-range definition and strong mid-bass punch, even when being pushed hard in high-volume playback. The woofers have a mounting depth of only 2 1/4 inches and come with optional grills, so they're easy to install and fit in the majority of cars and trucks, as 6.5-inch speakers are the most common speaker you'll find. The 1-inch soft dome synthetic fiber tweeters, on the other hand, focus on your highs, revealing crisp detail your factory speakers could only hope to produce. They come with 2 sets of optional housings, surface mount and angled surface, to fit any kind of interior. The XS-GS1621C's crossovers allow you to take full advantage of the system's 75 watt RMS rating. They'll send clean highs and full lows to your tweeters and woofers. The system has a frequency range of 30 to 30,000 Hertz, meaning all of that high-res audio that you stream is going to be brought to you with more detail that simply you can't get with factory speakers. This system goes for about $250, but trust me, it's worth it. Stay tuned because we may have an install on these speakers coming up very soon. Upgrade to the XS-GS1621C freeway set and you get 2 additional 3.5-inch mid-range drivers for your system. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links are in the bio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button. But if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.